If you've ever bought a kitchen appliance that only does one thing and then ends up collecting dust in a cabinet 6 months later, you're definitely not alone. A lot of slow cookers are great at one job, but they take up space and don't really justify staying on your countertop full time. That's exactly why this one caught my attention. Today, we're looking at the West Bend Versatility Slow Cooker, a multi-purpose cooking appliance designed for people who want one cooker that can actually replace several others. It works as a slow cooker, stovetop-safe pot, oven-ready roaster, and even electric griddle. For busy families, meal preppers, or anyone who cooks often but hates cluttered kitchens, it's trying to solve a very real problem. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The design is surprisingly practical. Instead of looking bulky or overly complicated, it has a clean, simple setup that feels approachable right away. The 5-quart cooking vessel is large enough for soups, chili, pasta dishes, or family-sized meals without becoming awkward to handle. The non-stick interior also gives it a smoother, easier to clean feel compared to traditional ceramic slow cookers that sometimes become frustrating after repeated use. One of the most useful things here is the removable cooking vessel. You can actually use it on the stovetop or in the oven, which makes meal prep more convenient than standard slow cookers. For example, you can brown meat directly in the same pot before slow cooking instead of dirtying extra pans. That may sound small, but in real daily cooking, reducing extra cleanup makes a big difference. The included griddle base is also more practical than I expected. It's not just a gimmick attachment. It works well for quick breakfasts like pancakes, grilled cheese sandwiches, or eggs when you don't want to pull out another appliance. That versatility helps justify the space it takes up because you're getting more than a single-use slow cooker. In actual cooking performance, the heating feels consistent and reliable. Slow-cooked meals came out evenly cooked without hot spots or overcooked edges, and the glass lid helps retain moisture while still letting you check on food without constantly opening it. It's also relatively quiet during operation, which matters more than people realize if you leave it running for several hours in a smaller kitchen or apartment. Cleanup is another area where this cooker performs well. The non-stick surface releases food easily, and both the pot and lid are dishwasher-safe. After heavier meals like cheesy casseroles or thick chili, cleanup was still pretty simple. That alone makes it more likely you'll actually keep using it regularly instead of avoiding it, because washing becomes annoying. Now, it's not perfect. The griddle attachment works well for simple foods, but it's still smaller and less powerful than a dedicated electric griddle. Also, if you already own several specialized kitchen appliances, some of the versatility here may overlap with tools you already have. And while the non-stick surface is convenient, you'll still want to avoid metal utensils to keep it in good condition long term. Compared to standard crock pot-style slow cookers in the same price range, the West Bend stands out mainly because of its flexibility. Most competitors focus only on slow cooking, while this feels designed for people who want a more adaptable kitchen tool. It's especially useful for families, apartment kitchens, potlucks, and anyone who values convenience without sacrificing cooking capacity. Overall, the West Bend Versatility Slow Cooker feels less like a single appliance and more like a practical kitchen shortcut. It simplifies cooking, reduces cleanup, and replaces multiple smaller appliances without becoming complicated to use. If you want a slow cooker that can genuinely do more than just sit on the counter simmering soup all day, this is definitely one worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen appliance reviews, and check out the product link in the description if you want to learn more about the West Bend Versatility Cooker. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.